If you need to cancel a pending Netflix transaction, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the transaction is stopped before it completes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Netflix account by visiting the Netflix website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to sign in. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Locate Membership and Billing. In the account settings, scroll down to find the Membership and Billing section. This is where you can manage your subscription and payment information. Step 4. Check for pending transactions. Look for any pending transactions listed under your billing history. If you see a transaction that you wish to cancel, take note of its details. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to cancel any pending Netflix transactions effectively. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Netflix support for assistance.